Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 12.1 question number 7, that is simplify. Number 1 is 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8 and t is not equal to 0. Let us find question number 1. Here question number 1 is, this is question number 1, that is 25 into t to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8 into t to the power minus 8. Therefore, we are getting 25 can be written as 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into t to the power minus 4. And here you see, this is 5 to the power minus 3 to the power minus 3 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2, 5 into 2 into t to the power minus 8. Therefore, we can write 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4. And here you see 5 to the power minus 3. We multiply this one and apply the formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n. Right? Therefore, we are getting minus 3 plus 1 into 2 into t to the power minus 8 minus 8. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 divided by t to the power minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 into 2 into t to the power minus 8, that is equal to 5 to the power 2, that is equal to, if we apply this formula, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then we are getting 5 to the power 2 minus of minus 2 into t to the power minus 4 minus of minus 8 divided by 2, right? Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 into t to the power minus 4 minus into minus is plus 8 divided by 2. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8 is plus 4 by 2. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 4, that is 5 4 times, that is 5 into 5 is 25, and 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 25 is 625, 625 divided by 2. 625 divided by 625 divided by 2 into t to the power 4 into t to the power 4. And that is the answer of question number 1. I will solve question number 2. Here you see question number 2 is 3 to the power 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5 6 to the power minus 5. Therefore, you can write here as 3 to the power minus 5 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 10 can be written as 2 into 5 25 2 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 can be written as 23 2 into 3 to the power minus 5. Right? Now we can write here as 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Right? We are getting 5 to the power minus 7 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Right? Now here you see this is divided by, right? Divided by, we are getting, I will apply the formula, that is z to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We will apply this formula here. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power minus 5. You see, minus of minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5 minus of minus 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 3 plus 5 to the power we apply here 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. Right? Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power. We are getting 3 to the power, that is equal to 3 to the power minus 5. Minus into minus is plus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Minus into minus is plus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. 5 to the power minus 7. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power minus 5 plus 5 is 0 into 2 to the power minus 5 plus 5 is also 0 into 5 to the power minus 2 minus of minus 7. Right? Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 0 is also 1 into 5 to the power minus 2. Minus and minus is plus 7. So we are getting 1 into 1 is 1. That is 5 to the power minus 2 plus 7 is 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5. And that is the answer of question number 2. The answer is 5 to the power 5. Here we have applied the formula, that is 3 to the power 0 is 1. That is 8 to the power 0. You know that 8 to the power 0 is 1. The value of 8 to the power 0 is 1. Right? And we also applied this formula for division. For multiplication, we applied the formula. This formula is also applied here. That is 8 to the power m into 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m plus n. 8 to the power m plus n. Right? M plus n. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.